Let's begin our journey by asking, what exactly is a parallel universe? In simple terms, a parallel universe is a hypothetical self-contained reality coexisting with our own. Imagine countless worlds, each with its own version of events, people, and possibilities. This concept has fascinated scientists, philosophers, and storytellers for generations. The idea suggests that every decision, every chance event, could create a new universe where things turned out differently. As we dive deeper, we'll explore the science behind this idea and why it continues to capture our imagination. Notion of parallel universes first gained popularity in science fiction. Writers imagined worlds where history took a different turn, or where people lived entirely different lives. These stories allowed readers to explore what-if scenarios, pushing the boundaries of imagination. Over time, these fictional ideas inspired real scientific inquiry. Today, the concept of parallel universes is not just a fantasy, but a topic of serious debate among physicists. Let's see how fiction paved the way for scientific curiosity. One of the most prominent scientific ideas related to parallel universes is the multiverse theory. This theory proposes that our universe is just one of many, possibly infinite, universes that exist simultaneously. Each universe may have its own laws of physics, constants, and even dimensions. The multiverse theory challenges our understanding of reality and raises profound questions about our place in the cosmos. As we continue, we'll break down the different types of multiverse theories and what they mean for our understanding of existence. Scientists have proposed several types of multiverses. Some suggest bubble universes, where each universe is like a bubble in a vast cosmic foam. Others talk about brane worlds, where universes exist on different planes or membranes. There's also the many worlds interpretation from quantum physics, which suggests every possible outcome happens in a separate universe. These ideas may sound wild, but they're based on real scientific theory. Next, let's look at how quantum mechanics plays a role in these concepts. Quantum mechanics is the branch of physics that deals with the tiniest particles in the universe. One of its most mind-bending ideas is the many worlds interpretation. According to this, every time a quantum event occurs, the universe splits, creating a new reality for each possible outcome. This means there could be countless versions of you, each living a different life based on different choices. While this idea is still debated, it offers a fascinating glimpse into how parallel universes might actually work. Probability plays a crucial role in the concept of parallel universes. In quantum mechanics, outcomes are not determined until they are observed. This uncertainty means that all possible outcomes could exist in parallel, each in its own universe. The idea that reality is shaped by probability challenges our everyday understanding of cause and effect. As we move forward, we'll see how this uncertainty opens the door to endless possibilities. Cosmic inflation is a theory that explains how the universe expanded rapidly after the Big Bang. Some scientists believe that inflation could create bubble universes, each with its own unique properties. These bubbles may never interact, making each universe completely separate from the others. This idea suggests that our universe is just one bubble in a vast cosmic sea. Next, let's explore how these bubbles might form and what they could contain. Another fascinating idea is the concept of brane worlds. In this theory, our universe exists on a brane, a kind of membrane floating in higher dimensional space. Other branes could hold their own universes, completely separate from ours. These higher dimensions are invisible to us, but they could be just as real as the three dimensions we experience. The brane world theory opens up the possibility of universes stacked side by side, each unaware of the other. String theory is a leading candidate for a theory of everything in physics. It suggests that all particles are made of tiny vibrating strings, and that there could be many more dimensions than we can see. Some versions of string theory predict the existence of multiple universes, each with its own set of physical laws. This adds another layer to the idea of parallel universes, making the cosmos even more mysterious and complex. One of the biggest challenges in studying parallel universes is finding evidence. Because these universes are thought to be separate from ours, it's incredibly difficult to observe them directly. Some scientists look for clues in cosmic background radiation or unusual patterns in the universe's structure. So far, no definitive proof has been found, but the search continues. The possibility of evidence keeps researchers motivated to keep looking. Cosmic microwave background is the faint afterglow of the Big Bang. Some scientists believe that if our universe collided with another, it might leave a mark in this background radiation. Researchers have searched for unusual patterns or cold spots that could hint at such collisions. While some intriguing anomalies have been found, none have provided conclusive evidence of parallel universes. Still, the cosmic microwave background remains a key area of investigation. Mathematics often leads the way in theoretical physics. Many equations suggest that parallel universes are not only possible, but perhaps even likely. These mathematical models help scientists explore scenarios that are impossible to test directly. While math alone can't prove parallel universes exist, it provides a framework for thinking about what might be out there. As we move forward, we'll see how math and imagination work hand in hand. The idea of parallel universes isn't just a scientific question, it's a philosophical one too. If there are infinite versions of reality, what does that mean for our sense of self, choice, and destiny? Philosophers have debated whether our actions matter if every possible outcome happens somewhere. These questions challenge our understanding of meaning and purpose in a vast, possibly infinite multiverse. Every possible choice creates a new universe. What does that mean for free will? Some argue that this idea makes our choices less meaningful since every outcome happens somewhere. Others believe it highlights the importance of our decisions in shaping our personal reality. The debate over free will and parallel universes is ongoing with no clear answers. It's a reminder of how deeply these ideas can affect our worldview. Parallel universes have become a popular theme in movies, TV shows, and books. From stories of alternate histories to tales of doppelgangers, these ideas capture our imagination and inspire creativity. Pop culture often explores what life would be like if things had turned out differently. This widespread fascination shows how deeply the concept of parallel universes resonates with people everywhere. Some of the most memorable stories about parallel universes come from fiction. Think of movies like Sliding Doors or TV shows like Stranger Things. These stories explore how small changes can lead to vastly different outcomes. By imagining alternate realities, fiction helps us reflect on our own lives and the choices we make. Next, let's look at how these stories influence our understanding of reality. Butterfly effect is the idea that small actions can have huge consequences. In the context of parallel universes, this means that even tiny differences could create entirely new worlds. A single decision, a chance encounter, or a random event could set off a chain reaction, leading to a universe unlike our own. This concept reminds us of the interconnectedness of events and the power of possibility. Artists have long been inspired by the idea of parallel universes. Paintings, sculptures, and digital art often explore themes of alternate realities and multiple perspectives. By visualizing what cannot be seen, artists invite us to imagine worlds beyond our own. Art becomes a bridge between science, philosophy, and imagination, helping us explore the unknown in creative ways. The idea of parallel universes can also shape how we see ourselves. If there are infinite versions of us, each living a different life, what does that mean for our sense of identity? Some find comfort in the idea that every possibility is explored somewhere. Others feel overwhelmed by the thought of endless versions of themselves. These questions highlight the personal impact of cosmic ideas. Have you ever woken up from a dream that felt real? Some people wonder if dreams are glimpses into parallel universes where different choices led to different lives. While there's no scientific evidence for this, the idea is a popular one in both psychology and fiction. Dreams remind us of the vastness of the mind and the endless possibilities of reality. Many people experience déjà vu, the feeling that you've lived a moment before. Some theories suggest that déjà vu could be a sign of parallel universes briefly overlapping. While this idea is more speculative than scientific, it captures our fascination with the unknown. Déjà vu reminds us that reality is full of mysteries we have yet to understand. Mandela Effect is a phenomenon where large groups of people remember events differently from how they actually happened. Some believe this is evidence of parallel universes, where memories from alternate realities bleed into our own. While psychologists have other explanations, the Mandela Effect remains a popular topic for those interested in the mysteries of the mind and the universe. Not all scientists are convinced by the idea of parallel universes. Many argue that these theories are interesting but lack direct evidence. Skeptics point out that without testable predictions, parallel universes remain in the realm of speculation. This skepticism is an important part of the scientific process, pushing researchers to find better evidence and clearer explanations. Despite the challenges, scientists continue to search for proof of parallel universes. New experiments in particle physics, astronomy, and cosmology are designed to test the limits of our understanding. Each discovery brings us closer to answering the big questions about reality. The search for proof is a journey that combines curiosity, creativity, and rigorous science. Advances in technology are opening new doors in the search for parallel universes. Powerful telescopes, particle accelerators, and computer simulations allow scientists to explore the universe in ways never before possible. Technology helps us test theories, analyze data, and imagine new possibilities. As our tools improve, so does our ability to investigate the mysteries of the cosmos. Some scientists and philosophers suggest that our universe might be a simulation, created by advanced beings or future humans. If this is true, there could be countless simulated universes, each with its own rules and inhabitants. The simulation hypothesis raises questions about the nature of reality and our place within it. Whether or not it's true, it's a powerful reminder of how much we have yet to learn. Study of parallel universes has far-reaching implications for science. It challenges our understanding of physics, cosmology, and even biology. If parallel universes exist, they could help explain some of the biggest mysteries in science, such as why the laws of physics are fine-tuned for life. Exploring these ideas pushes science to its limits and inspires new ways of thinking. Parallel universes also raise questions for religion and spirituality. Some people wonder how the existence of infinite realities fits with religious beliefs about creation, destiny, and the soul. Others see the multiverse as evidence of a grand design or as a challenge to traditional views. These discussions show how science and spirituality often intersect in unexpected ways. Parallel universes exist, what ethical responsibilities do we have? Some philosophers argue that our actions matter even more, since they could affect countless versions of ourselves and others. Others worry that the idea of infinite realities could make us less responsible for our choices. These ethical questions add another layer of complexity to the discussion of parallel universes. Research into parallel universes is still in its early stages. As technology advances and new theories emerge, we may get closer to understanding the true nature of reality. The future of multiverse research is full of promise and uncertainty. Scientists, philosophers, and artists will all play a role in shaping our understanding of the cosmos. The idea of parallel universes continues to capture the public's imagination. People are drawn to stories, theories, and debates about alternate realities. This fascination drives interest in science, philosophy, and art, and encourages people to ask big questions about existence. The popularity of the multiverse shows how deeply these ideas resonate with our sense of wonder. Study of parallel universes is not without its challenges and controversies. Some scientists worry that the idea is too speculative, while others believe it's a necessary step in understanding reality. Debates over evidence, interpretation, and meaning are common. These challenges push the boundaries of science and keep the conversation alive. Imagination is a powerful tool in exploring parallel universes. It allows scientists and artists to think beyond the limits of current knowledge and envision new possibilities. Imagination fuels creativity, inspires discovery, and helps us make sense of complex ideas. Without imagination, the concept of parallel universes might never have been considered. Some theories suggest that time travel could be possible if parallel universes exist. Instead of changing the past in our own universe, a time traveler might create or visit a different universe where events unfold differently. This idea is popular in science fiction and raises fascinating questions about causality and destiny. The Anthropic Principle is the idea that the universe appears fine-tuned for life because we are here to observe it. In a multiverse, there could be countless universes with different properties, but we find ourselves in one that supports life. This principle helps explain why the laws of physics seem just right for our existence. The idea of parallel universes can make us feel both connected and isolated. On one hand, we might not be alone in the cosmos. On the other, the vastness and separation of universes can create a sense of cosmic loneliness. These feelings are a natural response to contemplating the infinite. At the heart of the search for parallel universes is human curiosity. Our desire to understand the unknown drives us to ask questions, seek answers, and imagine new possibilities. Curiosity is the engine of discovery, pushing us to explore the deepest mysteries of the universe. Our senses and tools are limited, making it difficult to perceive or detect parallel universes. We rely on indirect evidence, mathematical models, and imagination to explore these ideas. The limits of perception remind us that reality may be far stranger than we can currently comprehend. Asking questions about parallel universes helps us expand our understanding of reality. Even if we never find definitive answers, the process of questioning leads to new discoveries and insights. The power of questions lies in their ability to open doors to new ways of thinking. The mystery of parallel universes is part of what makes the universe so beautiful. Not knowing all the answers invites us to keep exploring, imagining, and learning. Mystery is not a barrier but an invitation to adventure. Understanding parallel universes requires collaboration between scientists, philosophers, artists, and more. Each discipline brings unique perspectives and tools to the table. By working together, we can explore the mysteries of the cosmos more deeply and creatively. Learning about parallel universes can inspire students and lifelong learners alike. These ideas encourage critical thinking, creativity, and a sense of wonder. Education plays a key role in spreading curiosity and inspiring the next generation of explorers. The search for parallel universes is an ongoing journey. Each new discovery, theory, or idea brings us closer to understanding the true nature of reality. The journey is as important as the destination, reminding us to stay curious and open-minded. We've explored the fascinating reality of parallel universes, from scientific theories to philosophical questions and cultural impact. The concept challenges our understanding of existence and invites us to imagine endless possibilities. Whether or not parallel universes exist, the search for answers enriches our lives and expands our minds. As we look to the future, the mystery of parallel universes remains one of the most exciting frontiers in science and imagination. New discoveries and ideas will continue to shape our understanding of reality. The adventure is far from over. There's always more to explore, learn, and imagine in the vast cosmos.